All right, we're talking. We're here. You could call it the soundtrack for the healing of a nation. Chris Malachi's Brighter Days is timely and it's been providing so much comfort and inspiration for most of us throughout Hurricane Melissa. And so the man behind the song joins us this morning. Chris, good morning.
Morning.
Such a calm and humble spirit. Your music makes a lot of sense to me now. You've been singing for a little while?
For a while, yeah.
Tell me about the church background.
Yeah, I mean, of course, I grew up in church. So a lot of my family are pastors and ministers and musicians. So I always grew up with that understanding of music, but that spiritual side to it and the impact of it. So now, as a musician myself, I always keep that in the forefront.
What do you play?
So
keys?
Play keys, yes. I started playing keys before I ever sang a note.
What?
Yeah. So that's my real foundation with the music. And then as time went on, I started to write. And then I started to sing afterwards. Yeah.
We talk a lot about opportunities in the crisis and how sometimes bad things birth blessings.
Yeah.
And for you now, we are navigating this tough time, but you have given us this light through a very dark time. You heard that this hurricane was coming and it stirred something in you. Tell me about the cathartic experience of birthing this song.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, when I understood the gravity of what the hurricane was supposed to be, I was really worried. But I woke up one morning and I heard my parents praying. And my dad said something like, "Lord, keep us under your divine protection." And that started the inspiration for me to write the song. And I just wanted to write something that every Jamaican could relate to and use it as something to ground ourselves. And I'm glad I did that, because now when it seems like some parts of Jamaica don't even look like Jamaica, it's a song that's supposed to remind us that this is who we are and we can move forward together.
You said there was a heaviness you couldn't shake.
For sure.
And so the songwriting and the production of this song was kind of like a therapeutic release for you? Definitely
it was. I mean, I probably spent the whole week really trying to understand my software program and stuff, because I just getting my home set up, So that was my time to really understand it. But it was a help for me to process my emotions. I remember even just mixing the songs, I was like, wow, I'm feeling very emotional right now, because it just brought me back to the place of what's really going on.
How do you feel when you see what the song is doing for people? I saw you post the other day, oh my gosh, they're using my song as a PSA. TVJ is using it as a public service announcement to show some of the work we're doing and just to inspire hope. But when you hear people, like this morning when I held your hand and I said, this song is magic. When you see what the song is doing for people in the wake of the hurricane, it seems you understood the assignment, but how does that make you feel?
Boy, it's such a blessing that I can't even really put into words, because it feels so bigger than me. When I look at so many of the comments and people are saying, hey, this is actually helping me through the storm. Or I listen to this and I just sat down and cry. It honestly feel like God used me to bring forth this one.
Absolutely.
And that's not something I usually say lightly.
No.
But when I see the reaction of people, it's really amazing to witness, and it's humbling, because as I say, it really does feel bigger than me.
Yeah. I mean, at the reggae, what it has also done for you, putting you into spaces and places that I'm sure up to 6 weeks ago, Melissa was when? 3 weeks ago? You would never have thought possible.
Yeah.
Spaces and places that it has allowed you access to.
Yeah.
Incredible. So what next for Chris?
Well, I mean, of course I have a couple more singles coming out, but we're also working on a bigger exploration of this song, Brighter Days, because of course it's just a minute long.
Can we get more than a minute, please?
You're going to get more than a minute.
Fantastic.
And it's going to be grand and amazing, trust me.
Yeah.
It's going to be beautiful and powerful.
It is the anthem plus a little bit of something else. It's a prayer plus supplication plus celebration. It's so many emotions rolled into one, and I think that's why it's so powerful. And so we look forward to hearing more from you. No pressure, a lot of pressure. You come out the gate like this, then we expect more from you. But God bless you and thank you for this. Thank you for this.
Thank
on
you.
behalf of Jamaica, and thank you for doing it now. Head over to your microphone stand. Chris Malachi, folks, with one called Brighter Days. Oh, you giving us more than a minute, or we're just getting a minute?
Getting more than a minute.
All right, let's go.
The love of the Father is eternal, and the strength of His people is eternal. We will see brighter days. Eternal Father, Father, bless our land. I pray you guard us with your mighty hand. Pray you keep us and protect us. Lead us into brighter days. Oh, we will walk by faith and not by sight. I pray you be our light in darkest night. You never leave us or forsake us, so lead us into brighter days. Eternal Father, 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 we might be down, but we're not defeated. We know that we're stronger than disaster, and you're always in my corner. You bless me with joy, you bless me with life, bless me with strength every buckle you a fight. When me a walk in a darkest night, eternal Father, watch over I. Bless my future and resolve my past. Bless my plate when I'm down to my last. Bless me with peace when I should I get cross. When time if you cry, you bless me with a blast. You bless me with wisdom, me never have sense. If you know, so you bless me, me see your anthem. My God bigger than every problem. All rise, make we sing your anthem. Eternal Father, Father, bless our land. I pray you guard us with your mighty hand. Pray you keep us and protect us. Lead us into brighter days. Oh, we will walk by faith and not by sight. I pray you be our light in darkest night. You never leave us or forsake us, so lead us into brighter days. You never leave us or forsake us, lead us into brighter days. You never leave us or forsake us, so lead